Yes, good morning students. Welcome in YouTube channel class 11th mathematics chapter 3 trigonometric functions video number 1 question 5 exercise 3.1 continue. Question number 5, in a circle of diameter 40 centimeter, diameter of circle is 2r, so r is equal to 20 centimeter and length of chord is 20 centimeter. A circle in which AB is the chord, so chord AB is 20 and radius OA is equal to OB is also 20, so triangle OAB is equilateral triangle. Therefore we know that each angle in equilateral triangle is 60 degree. Therefore central angle 60, angle AOB is equal to 60 degree, so theta is equal to 60 degree. Convert in radian, since 1 degree is equal to pi upon 180 radian, so theta is equal to pi by 3 radian. Clear? Now find the length of minor arc of the chord. We have to find arc of length, which is denoted by L. So we know that L is equal to R into theta. So put the value of R into theta, that is L 20 pi upon 3. Question 6 is same as example 5 we discussed in a previous video. So you can do the ratio of radii, that is R is equal to L upon theta. So R1 upon R2 is equal to L upon theta 1 upon L upon theta 2. Since length of arc is given same, L1 is equal to L2 is equal to L, it is given. So L upon theta 1 upon L upon theta 2 is equal to L upon theta 1 into theta 2 upon L. Cancel L, so R1 upon R2 is equal to L theta 2 upon theta 1. Put the value of theta 1 and theta 2, then you get the answer. Question number 7. Find the angle in radian which a pendulum swings if its length is 75 centimeter. So we make a figure of pendulum. Length of pendulum work as the radius of circle and pendulum swings cover as length of arc, that is L. So length of pendulum is considered as R, that is radius, which is 75 centimeter, and it swings describe an arc of length 10 centimeter in first case. So L is equal to 10 centimeter. We have find theta, that is L upon R. Put the value of L and R, that is 2 upon 15 radian. इससे आपका रेडियन में आंसर आएगा. If you want to convert it in degree, then you can multiply by 180 upon 5. The values of trigonometric functions, you know in class 10th, the value of sine 0 is equal to 0, sine 30 is 1 by 2, sine 45 is 1 by root 2, and sine 60 is equal to root 3 by 2, sine 90 is equal to 1. And cos 0 is 0, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, cos 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 60 is 1 by 2, and cos 90 is 1. These trigonometric values you have learned, you want to learn. The value of tan 0 is 0, tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3, and tan 45 is 1, tan 60 is root 3, tan 90 is infinite, that is not defined. Cot 0 degree is equal to cos 0 upon sin 0, that is 1 upon 0, that is not defined. Cot 30 is root 3, cot 45 is 1, cot 60 is 1 by root 3, and cot 90 is equal to 1. Sec 0 degree is equal to 1, sec 30 is equal to 2 by root 3, sec 45 is root 2, sec 60 is 2, sec 90 is infinite, and cosec 0 is infinite, cosec 30 is 2, cosec 45 is root 2, cosec 60 is 2 upon root 3, and cosec 90 is 1. So you must learn these values of trigonometric functions. Now we discuss some trigonometric equations, like trigonometric equation sin x is equal to 0. Since we know that the value of 0, sin 0 is 0, sin pi is 0, sin 2 pi is also 0, and dot 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 multiples of pi all get value 0. So x is equal to 0, pi, 2 pi, 3 pi is the solution, and it is equal to general value x is equal to m pi. If cos x is equal to 0, then is equal to cos pi by 2, since we know that cos pi by 2 is equal to 0, cos 3 pi by 2 is equal to 0, cos 5 pi by 2 is equal to 0. So value of x for which the cos x is equal to 0, x is equal to plus minus pi by 2 plus minus 3 pi by 2 plus minus 5 pi by 2. So if cos x is equal to 0, then general solution of cos x is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. These values general solution are learned. Some formulas like sin minus x is equal to minus sin x, tan minus x is minus tan x, and cosec minus x is equal to minus cosec x. Next three are cos minus x is cos x, and sec minus x is also sec x, and cot minus x is equal to minus cot x. Only two values in minus x formula are positive, other four are negative. Next, the sign of trigonometric function in quadrants. That is, in first quadrant, all functions are positive. All are positive. In second quadrant, sin x and cosec x are positive, other are negative. Other are negative. In third quadrant, tan x and cot x are positive, other are negative. In fourth quadrant, cos x and sec x are positive, other are negative. So we can learn as the sign of ASTC. ASTC, first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. ASTC means all functions are positive. All functions are positive. In second quadrant, that is S, second quadrant, sin x and cosec x are positive, other are negative. In third quadrant, T means tan theta or tan x and cot x are positive, other are negative. And in third quadrant, T means tan x and cot x are positive, other are negative. Other are negative. And in fourth quadrant, C means cos x and sec x are positive and other are negative. Other are negative. And in quadrants, pi and 2 pi, multiple of pi and 2 pi, there is no change in function. No change in function, as sin pi minus x is equal to sin x, cos pi minus x is equal to minus cos x, etc. And pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2. sin pi plus x minus sin x. So trigonometric function no change, and at pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2 change the function. Change the function as example sin pi by 2 minus x is equal to sin cos x. Cos pi by 2 minus x is equal to sin x. So remember these points.